Hey guys, my name is Brianna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This hair is from the Liyate store on Amazon. This is the packaging it comes in, and when you open it up, it has this weaving cap. And then you take it out. Now this is their 30-inch synthetic heat-resistant fiber hair, and the color is black to gray. This is what the hair looks like. It's a little bit of black and gray at the top, and then all gray at the bottom, which kind of looks white. It kind of looks white and gray, but more so white. The hair is 30 inches, so pretty long. The hair feels soft. I just ran my fingers through it, and this is how much hair came out, so a couple strands. So the hair is $22, and it's supposed to be this body wave curl, which it is. This is what the part looks like. This is what the inside looks like. And it has two clips on the side, and this is what the inside of the cap looks like. And no clip on the bottom, but it does have adjustable straps. Let's see what it looks like when I put it on. I already have a wig cap on. Let's see. The wig cap is a little tight for my head. A little small. This is just, it says in the description of Amazon, this is a cosplay wig. Looks like that. So let me see if I've adjusted the straps. Well, the hair does feel really nice and soft for a synthetic wig. Not really getting much tingling. I'm getting more shedding now though, but I did just comb it through. So that's how much came out a hairball. Anywho, now the part could use some work. I'm just going to put some foundation on there, and then do something with the top part so it doesn't look so wiggy. But this is what it looks like. It looks wiggy, and it's very white right there. So let me just put some foundation on it and see what that does. I use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The color is Mocha Mocha. Anyway, I mean, this wig is really, it's fun. It's a fun wig. I have no idea where I would wear this to, but it's fun. And putting this brown foundation on there. Let's do something. Honestly, if I was gonna wear this out, I would probably like glue it down right here and wear like a scarf around it, so I wouldn't have to worry about the edges or dealing with that part. But it's really nice though. Or like do something like this with the hair so that, you know, you can't really see how wiggy it looks. Something like that. So what I just did with the wig was I just took this part right here and put it behind, like that, behind my ear. And then I took this part on the other side, like that. Put it behind my ear. So that way you can't really see it at the top as much and it blends better. And then the other two, it's like this. The other sides are like that. So yeah, this is the wig. Let me back up, I guess. I mean, I kind of like it. Like, I do like it. I think it's cute. It's different. It looks white though. I mean, it looks more gray in person than it does with all these lights in the camera. It is long. It's cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me. And thanks for watching.